In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload photos to Google Drive and share the links. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open up Google Drive. Once you do that, you can simply upload a photo or photos by clicking on this plus icon right over here and then click on the upload option. It's then going to take you over to this page right over here where you can easily see your recent files. But if you want to select specific photos, click onto your gallery right over here and then go over to the album or whatever place you save the photos you want to upload. For example, let's say I want to upload this photo right over here. I'm simply going to select it, and once you're done selecting the photos you want to upload, click on the done option right over here. So you can see my photo is uploading onto Google Drive. So as you can see it's done uploading, and what I can do now is that I can easily share this photo by clicking on these three dots right over here and then clicking on the share option. So as you can see, you'll be able to share with different people and groups. If you want to do this, I would recommend that you click onto this lock right over here and then change it from restricted to public, or anyone with the link rather, and anyone with the link would be able to get this or get the link, and then click on this link option right over here. And as you can see, you have successfully copied the link to your clipboard, and you can easily share the link with anyone you would like to share it with. Another simple method is just by simply clicking on these three dots again and then clicking on the copy link, and this way you'll be able to also share the link with anyone, or rather the people you want to share the link with. So that's how you can easily upload a photo on Google Drive and share the link. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.